Do you ever sit through a 2-hour interview or a long live stream and think that there is gold hidden in there, but you just do not have the time to chop it up and post it everywhere? If you are serious about growing your presence on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you really do need those bite-sized clips to capture attention. Beyond just the clips, you probably need captions too, because they help with retention, accessibility, and they actually make your content easier to discover. But let's be honest, ripping hours of content into shorts, adding captions, styling them, and scheduling posts used to be a full-time job. Lucky for us, a bunch of modern tools make parts of that easier. But today I want to walk you through the big players. I am going to cover Descript, Rev, Kapwing, CapCut, and YouTube Studio, among others, to give you the lay of the land. Then I am going to show you why Vizard is the tool I would personally reach for when I want fast, high-quality shorts without a complicated workflow. Let's start with Descript, because a lot of creators swear by it as their primary editor. Descript is basically an editor that lives in text form, meaning it transcribes your audio and lets you edit the transcript to edit the video. It is brilliant for cleaning up interviews, removing filler words, and it handles captions quite effectively as well. You get automatic transcription that is surprisingly accurate, along with drag-and-drop subtitle editing and polish features like multi-track cleanup. For beginners, the user interface is friendly and intuitive, but the catch is that the free tier is fairly limited. Once you want to make captioning a regular part of your workflow, you will likely need a paid hobbyist or creator tier. Descript is great for a combined audio and video editor, but it is still more of a full editor than an autopilot clip generator. Next up, we have Rev, which is where the old school pros go for human transcription and human verified captions. If your videos need to be rock solid accurate for legal, compliance, or professional training, Rev is a very safe bet. They support multiple output formats and even translations, which is perfect for global audiences. The downside is that the price adds up quickly for human-generated work, and Rev is not really trying to be a creative editor. So if you want to crank out dozens of clips every week, Rev might be less feature-rich in the editing department. Then there are browser-based editors like Kapwing, which are designed to be incredibly simple to use. With no downloads required, you get a drag-and-drop interface, auto-caption generation, and basic styling tools. Kapwing's free tier is really a demo for most creators, as you will quickly hit limits on auto-captioning and output resolution. It is a solid, lightweight option if you need to edit on the go, but the AI captions often require manual cleanup. CapCut is the mobile native go-to for short-form creators, especially if you are making content for TikTok or Reels. It is free, makes adding automatic subtitles very easy, and it has tons of fun caption styles and animations. The trade-off is that CapCut is optimized for stylized clips, so it is not designed to be a content calendar or distribution hub. YouTube Studio is the free, built-in option for creators uploading directly to the platform. Auto-generated captions are convenient, and because it is already integrated, it is a no-brainer if you focus only on YouTube. However, the caption styling is limited, and the auto-transcripts can often miss names, jargon, or heavy accents. If you are a pro who lives in Adobe Premiere, the captioning and transcription tools are incredibly powerful. You get advanced formatting and precise control, but it is definitely overkill for quick social clips. Don't forget the new generation of repurposing tools like Opus Clip and Canva, which offer quick clipping and templates. These are useful, but they often require manual checks and are not always tuned for finding the most viral moments automatically. So where does Vizard fit into all of this landscape? If you want an honest recommendation, Vizard is for creators who want to escape the manual slog of video editing. It is built to take long-form content, identify the attention-grabbing bits, and spit out ready-to-post clips fast. It is effectively like handing your hour-long podcast to an editor who knows exactly which 30-second moments will perform well. Beyond that, Vizard's auto-schedule is a game-changer for consistency. You set how often you want content posted, and the AI queues things up across your platforms for you. Then there is the content calendar that keeps everything in one place, allowing you to tweak and publish without switching apps. This single pane of glass setup saves a ton of context switching time compared to using 5 different tools. Vizard sits in the sweet spot between automation and control. It does the heavy lifting while letting you step in to tweak. Now, for a quick reality check. No tool is perfect, so auto-generated clips might still need a quick human review. AI can stumble with unusual names or industry jargon, so a quick check keeps your brand voice sharp. If you are budget conscious, the free tiers of YouTube Studio or CapCut will keep you alive for $0. But if you want a workflow that finds, schedules, and manages your content in one place, that is where Vizard feels indispensable. So ask yourself, do you just need subtitles? Or do you want an engine that turns long content into a pipeline of video? If it is the latter, test Vizard. If it is the former, try the free tiers of the other apps and see what sticks. Drop a comment and tell me which tool you are going to try, or if you have another favorite I did not mention. I am always looking for better workflows, and if you want a deep dive on my Vizard process, just say the word. All right, go create, because consistency wins, and you deserve to stop treating content repurposing like a second job.